Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, recently we all know Norwegian Cruise Lines announced that they were going to drop the vaccine requirement. And we asked the question, who's going to be number two? Who's going to be next? Well, the answer is Royal Caribbean, because they are dropping the vaccine requirement, sort of. So, I have an upcoming cruise in September on Grandeur of the Seas, and the Royal Caribbean sent me an email letting me know about the health and safety protocols that are going to be in place for my cruise. Read through the email, saw something that made me say, I need to take a look at this. I jump over to Royal Caribbean's website, and I pulled up their Healthy Sales Center. And I'm going to go ahead and share this information with you guys because, while I said Royal Caribbean is dropping the vaccine requirement, it's not for everyone, it's not for every cruise, and it's actually only for 3 home ports here in the United States, at least for right now. Let's take a look. All right, so over on the Healthy Sales Center, updated vaccination protocol for U.S. and European cruises. We continue to work with our destination partners to evolve our protocols and align with the broader travel industry as we transition to the point that everyone can vacation with us. Starting with September the 5th departures, all travelers, regardless of vaccination status, can cruise on the following itineraries as long as they meet any testing requirements to board. Cruises from Los Angeles, California. Cruises from Galveston, Texas, but currently only guests that show a valid vaccination record can get off the ship in Grand Caymans. Cruises from New Orleans, Louisiana, with the same stipulation that only guests that show a valid vaccination record can get off the ship in the Grand Caymans. And cruises from a European home port and guests that are not up to date with the vaccination per EMA standards will need to take a test on board in order to get off the ship in Greece and in Spain. Okay? Now, vaccination requirements remain in place until further notice. For any home port not mentioned above, visit our Getting Ready to Cruise page to view current protocols by home port. Now, for other home ports and destinations, we are currently working with local governments in the Eastern Caribbean to align our vaccination requirements for more itineraries. We want to ensure a great experience going ashore at these ports for guests of any vaccination status while meeting local health regulations. We will have more info in the coming days. All right, so there it is. After September the 5th, if you're sailing from Los Angeles, if you're sailing from Galveston, Texas, or you're sailing from New Orleans, you will no longer have to be vaccinated in order to sail. Now, one thing it said in the email that it doesn't say here, so I'm not sure how this part's going to play out, is it did say in the email that if you are unvaccinated, that Royal Caribbean still wants you to report that. They're still going to ask your vaccination status because they still intend to sail the ships with mostly vaccinated passengers. So the numbers that I'd heard previously, even though they did not specify these numbers, just numbers we heard in the past, they were going to allow like up to 20% unvaccinated, 80% vaccinated. Those numbers could have changed because they are not listed in either the email or here on Royal Caribbean's website. Doesn't say that. And here on the website, it doesn't say that you're still going to have to submit your vaccination, and it doesn't say that they still intend to sail with mostly vaccinated passengers. So the only things we know for a fact is what it says here on Royal Caribbean's website, and that is September the 5th, unvaccinated from Los Angeles, Galveston, and New Orleans. Now, those are Western Caribbean cruises or Mexico cruises there out of California. So those particular cruise ports, cruise destinations are not requiring the vaccine other than Grand Caymans in order to get off the ship. And it looks like they're still working with locations that are on the Eastern Caribbean, and that's going to be your sailings, a lot of what you see sailing out of Florida. So while Florida cruise ports are not included in this September 5th update as of today, like it says on here, they are continuing to work with those individuals, with those particular cruise ports, and updates will be coming here in the coming days, and I expect that's probably what's going to be next. But I wanted to get this news story out to you guys and let you know that it looks like Royal Caribbean, at least in part, is going to be number 2 to drop the vaccine requirement and allow unvaccinated cruisers to get back out on the high seas. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new cruise video comes out. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.